Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm doing another fabulous designer series paper reveal for the 2020 to 2021 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. This is the Flowers for Every Season 6x6 designer series paper stack. This paper stack has a total of 48 sheets, for each of 12 double-sided designs. So you can see I've kind of laid them out here where there's a lot of blues, greens, and yellows with a little bit more of the pinks and yellows here, and then some of the brown and greens, and still some pinks and yellows in this one. This paper stack actually includes all 5 of the new Stampin' Up! In colors. So the Bumblebee is that fabulous yellow color. Cinnamon Cider is that fabulous tan brown color. Just Jade is the green. Magenta Madness is that fabulous pink, which I absolutely love. It's my all-time favorite color right now. Misty Moonlight, and then that little pop of red is actually Poppy Parade, and Whisper White is the base color for these. So I'm going to go through each of these sheets so you can see what the full design looks like on the full 6x6 sheet of paper. Of course, let me know which one your favorite one is in the comments below, and after we go through all of these, I will share with you which one my favorite is. Although, if you know me very well, I love flowers and I love pink, so you can probably guess mine. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one from the Flowers for Every Season 6x6 designer series paper stack? Are you loving this paper? Because I sure am. It's really hard for me to pick out my favorite. Like I said, you guys all know how much I love pink, so I'm super loving the pink flowers in these, but I actually have to say that I'm super loving the sunflower prints, and then this all misty moonlight one too. So there's just so many prints in this stack that I am in love with, and I can't wait to start using in different projects. So of course, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check out laurastamppad.com for lots of great other interesting inspiration for paper crafting and fun stamping ideas. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.